Hello, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining our weekly exploration with new pages. My name is Kiang Fok. You can call me KF. Can hear me? Yeah, that's great. So today I'm going to share with you all one of the tools that you can find in new pages merchant system. In short form, we call this NMS. I mean, often there are cases where we do duplications, and if you do duplicates, just to share with you all, there are please take note that Google may or they may not rank your product posting. But that is why we are here today, and I'm going to share with you all how to make your duplicates more SEO friendly. Yeah. So speaking about duplicates, usually when we do duplicates, that's because there are product variety that we want to post it on our website. Okay, such as like most common one like colors or size or maybe like materials. So when it comes to variety, the first thing that we will recommend you to use the feature is product variant. All right. So product variant is one of the features that is useful, especially if you do have this kind of like varieties that you want to show. But there are also cases where we have no choice, but we need to do duplicates. So cases where duplicates functions will help you, right, in terms of managing your product posting, such as when you have limited SKU. Okay, in other words, you have limited products or services, or maybe your products you have less than 10, and each category, if you're going to present it on your website, is going to have like maybe like one category, one product is not quite presentable, all right? Because when it comes to presentation wise, when you want to show it to your customers, they say that the more the better, right? Because when you post more products, then that is where you create more landing page. And when you have more landing page, then that is where you create more exposure. All right, you target different segment of people. All right. So and there are also cases whereby we use product duplicates features because we want to set wholesale price. And when it comes to wholesale price with different variety, let's say for example, in this case, you will see mineral water that's 500 ml and that's 1 liter of water bottles. But of course, definitely the price is different, right? You can't be putting everything under the same, the 500 ml and 1 liter is the same price. So for this kind of scenario, there's no choice. You have to make duplicates. And when it comes to duplications, it actually helps you to save time. When you click on the duplicates function, right, it will populate all the information that you have posted to the new product posting. And then you have to do a few slight changes in terms of maybe the product's features. So speaking about product applications, where do you actually can find this function? So how do you do product applications? You can go to our merchant system, new pages merchant system, NMS, and then under manage products, that's where you will see there's this 3 little dot icon. You just click on that icon, and then it will reveal more action. Just click on duplicates, and it will help you to populate all the information that you have currently that you want to duplicate to the new page. Okay, and once you have done that, right, now take note of this. This is where things get interesting and how to make your SEO friendly. Okay, there are 3 factors to take note. Number 1, changes to some of the keyword title. The second one is make sure that your product description, okay, your description matches the product. Okay, matches the product. And then the third one, you need to use, if possible, use different picture of the same product. All right. So what we mean by this, okay, there's an example here at the bottom there. let's say, example, I do duplication. I duplicate into another 2 copies. Then, as you can see from here, the first one changes to some of the keyword title. So like black, it will relate to black. Then pink, it will relate to pink. And then the picture is pink color. And then for what purpose? In terms of key features, right? Like for recording, podcasting, and gaming. Even though we know that this product is suitable for, in fact, for all the key features like recording, podcasting, and gaming. And you can't stop people from how they want to use it, right? But when you want to present it, try to use different keywords. You don't have to change entirely, just 1 or 2 keywords. That's great enough really, all right? Then, so here I also want to share with you all the duplicates with common mistakes. Some of the duplicates with common mistake that I found out, all right? Very common one. That is when we do product posting. I mean, when I see some of my clients' website, over here, as you can see, even though the pictures different, but they are having the same product title. And when I click on the one of the product posting, right, it actually shows the same product description. All right. So, worst case scenario, the picture is the same, the title is the same, and product description is the same. So we don't want that to happen. All right. So how do we what can we do to make your duplicates more SEO friendly? Now, just now I already shared with you all the 3 steps. Okay, I just share with you all again. Changes to some of the keyword title. Make sure that the description matches the product, and use different picture of the same product. Okay, if possible, you do these 3. Okay, if not, maybe you do 2 is good enough. Okay, so I just show you how to do changes to some of the keyword title. Now, remember, if you attended my tutorial in terms of constructing effective product title, here I'm going to share with you all again. Now, you don't have to combine all 5, like core keywords is your product name, keyword features, your product attributes, unique selling point, product uniqueness or standout point, and then model or serial number if you do have it, and your brand name. All right, you don't have to combine all 3. At least you can combine 2. This is to differentiate the product posting. That is good enough really. Okay. All right, so here I just show you one example, like same product but different series. Right, this is from one of our client. They combine core keywords, which is their product name, and their product name is laundry basket. Okay, then unique selling point, custom made. All right, they allow custom their client to custom make. Okay, and sometimes it's difficult when it comes to your product name. It's already laundry basket already. There's no other keywords that you can replace laundry basket. So therefore, what they do is that they combine with serial number, right? Their serial code, like different. There's 4 product posting, 4 different serial code. Now from here, at least you're actually telling Google crawler when they try to, when a buyer trying to search for laundry basket, what happens if, let's say, they don't use serial number or they don't add like key features, they just put laundry basket? You're actually confusing Google crawler. Okay, just to share with you all, when a person searching for laundry basket, all right, Google is trying to rank your product. Okay, they are trying to list your product in the search SERP. We call this search engine result page. But if you have all the same product posting with the same keyword title, then you're actually confusing Google, and end up Google may just randomly pick one of your product to be listed, okay, on the search engine result page. And we don't want that, because end of the day, because you actually do all this duplication and you post it on your website. And if Google just going to rank one of your products with the same similar products, but they only just going to rank one only, right? Then you are we don't want you to waste your effort. That's the whole point, right? Therefore, by adding serial number is one of the things that maybe you can consider. All right. So this is just one example. Maybe you can just mix around, okay, not necessarily just like call keyword plus serial number. Okay, another example that I'm going to share with you. This is also one of our clients that when they do product posting, they only have one product, but they use different. They use different location. All right, same product but installed at different location. Okay, to construct it as their product title, right? It also works because by adding location, like your project location, where is it located? When people trying to search for, let's say, example, staircase glass supplier at Kepong. Right now, I'm at Kepong. I'm searching for maybe a contractor or a supplier that can do this staircase glass service for me. And chances are your product may be ranked, right? So these are some of the example that I can share with you. And of course, I'm going to share with you one of the live website that we can share with you all in terms of our client. Okay, I'm going to pause here for a while. Okay, so this website, one moment, I just click. Okay, so this website, I find it is queensfloor.com. Okay, I find it very, very, in terms of their presentation, when they present their products, it's very, very nice. It's very neat and tidy. And in fact, if you look at their products, right, they are a supplier of premium flooring solution and wall solution. All right, so if you go to their products, okay, they only have like flooring and wall. All right, so I'm going to click on one of their products like PVC and vinyl flooring. Okay, and if you take a look at their products, this is how they construct their keywords title, their brand. This is their brand, and then their key products, core keywords. We call these core keywords, and then their model or serial number. Okay, in fact, all these material are vinyl or PVC, we call this. All right, so when I click on their products, let's say I'm going to open in new tab. This one I'm going to open in new tabs. And when you read their product description, right, this is where we call this transactional intent. Okay, because your customers, when they reach this page already, right, their intention is to buy already. All right, so no point you continue to write that kind of generic description like what is vinyl flooring, what is PVC flooring. Leave that to, on your this page here under your category page. Okay, so in fact, you can optimize your category page also. Okay, I'm going to teach you all how to optimize your category page on another lesson. But for today, just to bear with me, okay, today we are focusing on duplicates. So when it comes to your pictures is different, okay, the keyword title is different, and then the description is different. Okay, the thickness is talking about dimension, thickness. Then when I click on another one, okay, the thickness is 2.5 mm, the dimension. Okay, this is where we call this transactional intention really. All right. So, and if you take a look at their project reference, they also showcase some of their client, successful installation from their client, from their list of clients. And they also put something like, their area, location, then floor decoration by their company. Okay, and let's say example, I'm going to click on this Bukit Jalil and a brief explanation of, and also showcase how they install the outcome, I would say outcome. And speaking about this, when you use different keywords title, it also helps in terms of your exposure. Even though your product is the same product, but you expand it, you multiply it in terms of project base. Like example, this Bukit Jalil flooring supply, and let's say example, I'm going to search for flooring supply at Bukit Jalil. Okay, right now, usually if I'm at Bukit Jalil and I'm searching for a flooring supplier, I will search for flooring supplier near me, right? So these are the options that I will choose. But if you choose these features, Google, these are features from Google itself. And when you click on this, right, Google will detect your location. So for now, because right now I'm located at New Pages headquarters, which is at Johor. So no point I choose this. Okay, so just assuming that I'm at Bukit Jalil right now, so I'm searching for flooring supplier at Bukit Jalil, and it will list the companies that has these products. And this is see Queen's Floor. When I click on this, open a new tab, it will bring me to their website. So therefore, this is one of the way for you just to share with you all. Okay, when you do want to do duplicates, always take note of these three things: how to make your duplicates more SEO friendly. Okay, changes to some of your keyword title, and make sure that your description matches the product. Okay, in terms of product features, sizing, dimension, colors, all this. All right, then make sure that you use different pictures, but it's the same product. All right. So that's what I want to share with you all today. If you all got any comments or feedback or maybe like questions, you can type in the Q&A. If not, then or maybe you can email me if you are shy. Then maybe you can email me your questions. We will take a look at your email and then get back to you as soon as possible. And if not, then if you have not followed our YouTube channel, then you can just go to youtube.com/@newpagestv. Click on the subscribe button if you want to watch this replay later on when I upload this replay into our YouTube channel. Okay, if not, then I hope you guys have learned something today. And if you like this session, just maybe you can comment or maybe you can just write to me, right? So we will know that you really appreciate our effort, then we will continue this weekly exploration. All right. So if not, then really thank you for your time. Yeah, thank you, Farhana. Really hope that you all learned something today, and see you all next Friday. Yeah. Okay. If not, return back your Friday to you all. Bye bye.